someone wants to get a shot, I'm gonna say, nah, it's all for me.
No.
So, period, do you know what the plan is today?
No.
So today I'm gonna get liquor from the liquor store and I'm gonna do another amazing viral idea. Totally viral, totally awesome, totally original.
It's montage time. Let's go. And that is beginning. Can you not constantly put the camera in my face?
Okay,
you wanted
fine.
the makeup today.
But you look fine. I didn't do makeup. I put dots and some
See the
lipstick.
lights. Don't you have shopping to do as well?
Ah, okay. You'll find me at the liquor store. So I actually can't even afford this one. I shouldn't have left my money at home. I think I'll get the smaller one, which is okay because fuck, bro. Okay, so I got Captain Morgan. I think that's a good compromise. Wet peony. I wanna get something to like make the board like durable. Ooh, oh, these are nice and big. This is perfect. This bigger than A3.
Massive.
Oh yeah, let's get it.
You think you can hold it though?
I'm not gonna hold it. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna get a chair. Put my feet. Something. I don't know.
So then are you gonna put the thing you designed directly on this?
What?
The design directly on here?
Design.
Dude, Jesus. You can't just
Say-
put this through a printer.
One honk equals one shot.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna print. I'm gonna write it.
You should do it in a cool font.
Postnet could do it, but it'll be too much.
Let's go get that marker.
So this is the concept, but I'm trying to make it this big. Shit, but I don't know fucking. Okay, somehow I'm fucking up, but I don't know how. I'm gonna print a giant one, like two giant ones, I guess. And it's gonna be one hoot, and it's gonna have the picture of hooting equals one shot, and it's gonna have a picture of the shot. Okay, I'm done. I just got done sticking everything on. This is the result. One honk equals one shot. I think it looks almost legit. And then there's the little note. For me, you're driving, bruh. Just in case someone wants to get a shot. I'm gonna say, nah, it's all for me. And then the cool thing about this, or the quirky thing about this is I get to drink in the middle of the day while other people are working on a Friday. And so, I'm doing it for you guys. Fantasy fulfillment. Live vicariously through me. Okay, I'm here. This is my perspective. This is what the robot looks like. I think I'm just gonna have the camera on me. People's reactions will be funny, but I think it's even funnier to see how pissed I can get.
Anybody, I don't want to be old age.
reasons. Yeah! I just need you to honk. Thank you. I don't need 100 reasons. Thank you. I only need one. Yeah! It's Friday! Yeah! Thank you! For my brand!
Oh, your friend.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you! Thank you! Yeah! That doesn't count. That doesn't count. They can't even read the sign. That doesn't count. Thank you. I've only been out here 20 minutes. Bruh, imagine finishing a fucking bottle or half a bottle. Fuck, bro. Picking this much booze, that's a lot, bruh. And I'm not done. Could you do that? Could you do that shit? Maybe. Should you? Absolutely fucking not. Okay, so I broke my fucking tripod. Well done, me. But I don't blame myself because I'm pissed. Let's finish up. Maybe it's a sign, bro. Maybe it's a sign. Bro, that was so extreme, bro. I won't lie. That was really extreme. I'm fucked up at this point. I'm really fucked up. I'm gonna go home now.